Today we're diving deep into the world of turmeric. This bright yellow spice, a staple in Indian cuisine, has taken the wellness world by storm. But how much of this is backed by science and how much is just hype? Let's uncover the truth about turmeric. So, you're feeling down and you've heard whispers about turmeric's potential to lift your mood. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that scientists believe could have antidepressant properties. While some studies have shown positive results, others have been inconclusive. More research is needed. Chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our bodies, and type 2 diabetes is no exception. Curcumin, turmeric's star player, has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Early research suggests curcumin might help regulate blood sugar levels, but more human trials are needed. Feeling a cold coming on? You might be tempted to reach for that turmeric latte. Some lab studies suggest curcumin might have antiviral properties, but more research is needed to confirm this in humans. Ladies, listen up. Tired of those pesky PMS symptoms? A recent study found that curcumin supplements helped alleviate PMS symptoms in women. Animal studies suggest turmeric could even provide relief from menstrual cramps. While promising, we need more research to confirm these findings in humans. When it comes to heart health, the research on turmeric is a bit of a mixed bag. Some studies suggest that turmeric can lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind that clogs your arteries. However, other studies haven't found the same effect. More research is needed. Alzheimer's disease is a complex condition with no known cure. Chronic inflammation plays a role in Alzheimer's, and turmeric has sparked interest as a potential preventative measure. However, there's currently no strong scientific evidence to suggest that turmeric can prevent or treat Alzheimer's disease. Dealing with achy, inflamed joints? Turmeric has shown promise in easing arthritis symptoms like pain and stiffness. If you're considering trying turmeric, remember that our bodies don't absorb curcumin very well. Combine turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, to enhance curcumin absorption. The big C word, cancer. It's a scary diagnosis, and people are always looking for ways to fight back. Turmeric has shown some exciting results in lab and animal studies inhibiting tumor growth. However, these are preliminary findings, and we need more research to understand how turmeric behaves in the human body. Living with irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, can be incredibly challenging. Early research suggests that turmeric might help alleviate IBS symptoms like abdominal pain, but more research is needed. Headaches, especially migraines, can be debilitating. Despite anecdotal evidence, there's limited scientific research to support turmeric's effectiveness in treating or preventing headaches. Acne, those pesky pimples that pop up at the worst times, can be frustrating to deal with. Some people swear by turmeric masks or consuming turmeric to combat acne. However, there's currently no scientific evidence to support these claims. So there you have it. The truth about turmeric. While not a magical cure-all, turmeric shows promise in several areas, and ongoing research continues to uncover its potential. If you're considering adding turmeric to your diet or supplement regimen, consult with your doctor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share to care. Reset health, reset life.